Snow is expected to impact much of our area beginning this evening, with hazardous travel conditions possible through tomorrow morning.
And the storm comes as many people are starting to return from holiday travel. Elijah Westbrook joins us live from a salt shed on Manhattan's west side with more on how the city is preparing for the storm. Elijah, they're going to need a lot of that salt.
Oh, absolutely. And this is not the kind of salt you want to put on your food, Natalie and Aziza. Good morning to the both of you. And you know what? Also, I do want to mention, I know, right? It's funny. You look at all this salt here and it's like, yeah, that's not the kind of salt used for food. That will be sprinkled out onto the roadways if it hasn't been already. In fact, I've been seeing some of the brine lines on some of the highways like this one here. This is the West Side Highway in preparation for what's to come. We know that the Department of Sanitation says that they are ready for what's to come. And here is what we mean by that. Trucks are being prepped and equipped with tools that allow them to plow streets and spread salt quickly, especially as snow begins to fall later today and into those overnight hours. And it isn't just about plowing, it's also about post-holiday cleanup. Trash and recycling volumes are likely higher than normal, according to officials, meaning crews are juggling collection routes and snow response at the same time. Now, if snow totals top 6 inches, this would become the city's biggest snowstorm since January of 2022. You may recall that was when neighborhoods saw nearly a foot. Now, officials are warning that the timing could be tricky as people head out for post-holiday plans and weekend travel. The New York City Office of Emergency Management has issued a travel advisory warning of slick roads, reduced visibility at times, and slow commutes. Drivers are being urged to allow extra time, avoid unnecessary travel, and make sure that their cars are stocked with essentials like blankets, water, and a phone charger, because you just never know. But back out here live, we're standing right across the street from the 55th Street salt shed, which is owned and operated by the Department of Sanitation, and we are expecting some activity to start brewing as the day progresses. Live right now on Manhattan's west side, Elijah Westbrook. I'll send it back to you inside a nice and warm studio, Natalie and Aziza.
I'm sorry, we don't want to rub it in, Elijah. And as you said, we don't want that salt on our food. We don't want it on our margarita rim. None of that while we stay inside today.
Definitely not.
Thank you. And with the weather system triggering a first alert weather day, you can count on us to bring you the latest updates throughout the day. We'll check in with Tony Sadico in just a few minutes, and you can also find the very latest on our website, cbsnewyork.com.